Hi everyone, this is Onur Özdemir. I'm the technology strategist for media and telecommunications industries for Microsoft in the region of Middle East and Africa. Today I'm joined with one of our key partners, Axonize. Donna, why don't you introduce yourself?
Sure. Thanks, Onur. My name is Donna Pearlstein. I'm the VP Marketing at Axonize.
Thanks, Donna, for joining us today. We will talk a little bit about IoT today because Axonize is specialized in it, why it is important for telecom operators, and some of the reflections we have from Axonize's experience working with the leading telecom operators worldwide. IoT arises as one of the most important top-line growth opportunities for telecom operators, as we would agree, Donna, I think. And there's a prediction that a total of Middle East and Africa IoT markets of around $6.2 billion exist by 2024. And even more interestingly, more than 90% of it would come from B2B specialist services such as the industry scenarios. Today, we will discuss how Axonize, working together with Microsoft, are helping telecom operators capture part of that value and increase top-line growth of telecom operators leveraging the IoT. In that sense, Donna, I'd like to ask, what advice would you give to telecom operators to best prepare themselves for success in IoT?
Thanks, Onur. So to answer your question, for many telcos who we speak to, we hear many of the same challenges come up, such as they need to span dozens of industries across many different sensor types with various degrees of customization. Another challenge is how to connect IoT devices and non-IoT applications. My advice would be to find an IoT platform that supports any device system using any protocol and any data structure. A platform that enables telcos to easily customize business logic and dashboards without having to rely on expensive and time-consuming professional services at every step of the way. Speed is also key for IoT success. When delivering several IoT projects, enough to favorably impact your bottom line, you need to move quickly. If a platform can configure sensors and build and deploy the projects quickly, it's a huge benefit for telcos.
Thanks for your suggestions. I fully agree. And I often might find myself discussing with our customers, the telecom operators, about the IoT industry scenarios that applies best to their environment, to their countries, to their specific operations and their base of customers. So it's a hot topic, obviously. And in your experience, which IoT scenarios you're seeing as successful in your go-to-market with telecom operators that you have been working with?
Great question. So definitely smart buildings. As we all know, we're now living in a new economy. The way people live and utilize space has changed. Many people are working from home or in a hybrid situation. People are now seeking a healthy and safe environment. They're looking to have experiences rather than just comfort. This changes everything about smart buildings. For example, space utilization. Enterprises today can benefit by reducing the space needed in the enterprise. For example, instead of utilizing 10,000 square feet of space for 100% capacity, they can utilize only 6,000 square feet with hot desking. The same holds true for facility parking lots, lockers, and anything else that can be shared. Another example is reducing cleaning costs. As less people come into the workplace, fewer shared areas are being utilized. For example, gyms, restrooms, kitchens, etc. By moving from fixed cleaning shifts to cleanings that are based on the number of visits, companies can reduce up to 75% of their cleaning staff and enhance the conditions in areas that are used more often. Another example of reducing costs is in energy cost. By combining the space utilization data and energy usage, companies can reduce their energy cost by up to 30%. These are some of the reasons that Axonize has decided to help telcos focus on smart buildings and smart offices. We already have seen many telcos become very successful by offering a smart building and smart office end-to-end solution to their customers. Many customers have already begun to deploy smart building projects across the board, and we are seeing great results globally.
Great insights. to say the least. And last but not the least, telecom operators in our region find themselves challenged to set the go-to-market model. I'm not sure if you would agree with me. And then that go-to-market model that can bring the best of their assets, the industry relations, bring up the necessary products, transform their sales organizations, the delivery skill sets around those, and support what they deliver together with you, right? In that sense, how does Axonize partner with the telcos for help and setting that IoT go-to-market model that could be unique to that operator's environment?
Good question. Thanks, Honor. So Axonize is purpose-built for service providers and telcos. We facilitate the building of scalable and profitable IoT managed services. Axonize is built on Microsoft Azure's infrastructure for utmost level of security and privacy, and we are deployed in over 50 Azure data centers worldwide with geo-redundancy and disaster recovery. Axonize and Microsoft have built a unique program for telcos to onboard their new IoT managed services from smart building to any vertical desired. This program includes workshops, training, onboarding new customers, sharing insights from other customers, local market research, identifying the relevant devices in the local market, the implementation and planning and road mapping and alignment for use cases and projects, and so on and so forth. This process is quick and easy and enables telcos to retire immediate ROI. Hope that was insightful.
Thanks, Donna, for the great insight. So, hope you all have enjoyed. Looking forward to meeting you and sharing the insights and learnings with you and see how we can collaborate further. Until on the next episode that we can get together, stay safe.